Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate that you can unpin on Pinterest. So to put it in other words, unpinning on Pinterest means removing a Pinterest post from the list of saved ideas. So from here, well, with this information in our hands, just touch and hold at the pin that you would like to remove, or unpin, touch and hold at the post that you would like to unpin, go for the edit option, and then tap if you believe this pin function like that. As you can see, the video or picture gets unpinned. So that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.